Hi, everyone! It's so nice to see you all today. I was just thinking about something fun we could do. Want to join me? It'll be great! Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. Today, I want to talk about things that make me happy. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is great for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Happiness is very important in life. Sometimes happiness comes from big things, but often it comes from small and simple moments.
These moments fill my heart with so much joy. I'm so happy to have shared these times.
One thing that makes me happy is a quiet morning. I wake up and open the window.
The fresh air feels wonderful. What a beautiful day outside. I can't wait to get out there.
I drink a warm cup of tea. The day feels calm and peaceful. Another thing that makes me happy is listening to music. Music changes my mood. When I feel tired, music gives me energy. When I feel stressed, soft music helps me relax. Sometimes I sing along quietly. I also feel happy when I spend time in nature. I like walking in the park. I enjoy looking at trees and flowers. I listen to birds and the wind. Nature makes my mind feel calm. Reading books also makes me happy. I like simple stories and interesting ideas. Reading helps me learn new words. It also takes me to different places and worlds. Talking with friends makes me happy too. We share stories and laugh together. Sometimes we drink tea and talk for a long time. Good friends bring joy into life.
These carrots are looking great.
Cooking is another thing that makes me happy.
Almost ready for the pot.
I enjoy making simple meals. The kitchen smells nice when food is cooking. I feel proud when the food tastes good.
Yes, this is exactly how I wanted it.
Helping other people also makes me happy. A small act of kindness can change someone's day. Even a smile can make a difference. At night, I feel happy when I think about my day. I remember the good moments. I feel thankful for the small things in life. Happiness does not need to be big or expensive. Sometimes happiness is just a quiet moment, a kind word, or a warm drink.
These are some things that make me happy. What about you? What things make you happy? Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons.